Hey everybody, I am back today. I'm trying another pumpkin thing. Today it is the mini pumpkin pie blizzard. This was $3.78. I typically only get the mini because I'm lactose intolerant and plus for calories and stuff like that sake. So yeah. And I am a huge fan of pumpkin spice and all those essence, as y'all can tell. And it's fall season. Let's take advantage of it. Service was pretty good. I got to see some previous co-workers that I worked with at another job. I never worked at Dairy Queen, but you know, it was pretty nice. Let's see. Okay, sweet. You can taste the pumpkin. Not the strongest flavor, but I like that it's not overbearingly sweet. I'd say right at 7.2. It's like pumpkin puree taste. I'd get it